like to call Hassan Jan on the stage. Hassan Jan. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والسماء بنيناها بأيد وإنا لموسعون والأرض فرشناها فنعم الماهدون. تذكرون ففروا. Call the one and only for Janat Sharif. I would like to call Ms. Laiba on the stage for Janat Sharif. Ms. Laiba. Proud, so we have to give a huge respect to him. We have to stand your hand and raise your hand. Let's invite the CEO, Sir Farid Safi, and the MD, Sir Bilal Safi. Standing ovation. Standing ovation.
And the one who created us from a drop of blood. Of all the present, I would like to say a warm welcome to Honorable CEO, respected teachers and dear fellows with Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Amar Khalil, the student of Bukradar. I'm gonna tell you about belief in yourself.
Initiating and terminating with the sweetest and the greatest name of Allah the Almighty, who is the most merciful, who is the entire merciful and entire compassionate. After all praises to Almighty Allah, I would like to say and welcome all of you in Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum. I'm so much pleased and fascinated from all the respected teachers and dear students, especially from Safi's brothers, Mr. Bilal Safi and Mr. Farid Safi.
You are named the excellent, so it means that you are the winner. If you want to consider yourself as an excellent, you have two choices. Number first, you should be the winner. You will have to be the winner. The second choice we have, it is just that you will have to be the learner.
और the Urdu period बकल एक शुरू शो the Urdu period बकल एक शुरू शो the खुबुनो बचाते हुए मज़े और ये वाहिदा स्कूल वक्त बस देर शो ये वाहिदा स्कूल वक्त बस देर शो बदरे वरज़े वज़राने हुए मज़े والسلام
Zama the tool team belief, Zama vision, agar sirf yo share hai. And that is what, that to provide students with quality education and a shape of 21st century skills. To students introduce kawul mungtadi aga 21st century skills sara. سافټ سکل سره موږ ته ماشومانو ته انټروډیوس کول دي دلته. زه د رټه سیسټم traditional way of teaching I'm not in the favor of that. I'm more in the favor of introducing 21st century skill. Number one thing that is called the king of all skills, that is communication. نو زه غواړم چې هر یو ماشوم چې څومره ماشومان دلته دي که په ژوند کې موږ ترقي کول غواړو که په ژوند کې موږ مخکې پرمختګ کول غواړو نو د هر یو سټوډنټ دپاره هر یو انسان دپاره که هغه ډاکټر دی که انجینیر دی که وکیل دی که هغه د هر یو پروفیشن سره د هغه تعلق دی نو د کم انسان دپاره ټول نه بهترین شی چې کوم یو دی هغه څه شی دی کمیونیکیشن سکل دی. نو زه ستاسو باندې کال کومه چې به موږ ویل چې موږ انګلیش امپروف کوو that we want to improve English. خو اوس دنیا ډیره زیاته چینج شوه. اوس دا مو وایي چې زه انګلیش امپروف کومه اوس دې شیونو ته راشئ چې زه خپل کمیونیکیشن سکل امپروف کول غواړم.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। ये एक्सेल एकेडमी आज का प्रोग्राम हमने बहुत ज़्यादा एंजॉय किया, हमें बहुत ही अच्छा लगा।
ز د خپل اکیډمي ټولو مرګورو ته ټول علاقې ته درخواست کوم چې تاسو एक्सेल एकेडमी کې एडमिशन ज्वाइन करें।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम। अगर आप इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हैं तो आप हमें ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं फॉर इम्प्रूव योर इंग्लिश एक्सेल लर्निंग एकेडमी।
Hello, assalamu alaikum. This is me, Ibrahim Haq. I'm the student of Excel Learner Academy. When I come here for the first time, I feel really better, and I'm the student of conversation. I'm improving my skills of writing, speaking everywhere in English Learner Academy.
First of all, assalamu alaikum. This is Shafiullah, the student of IELTS class, Excel Learners Academy. First of all, I would like to thank all the teachers. Well, if I talk about the Excel Learner Academy, it is a very beautiful institution and it has a very grateful in the development of children and our youngsters.
This is me, Aminullah. I am from Shakat Jamrod. I belong to tribal area, and this time I am present in Excel Learner Academy with a great personality, Sir Safi. So I request to all Afridi people and all tribal area people to join this academy because I improved myself in only 3 months. From 3 months I enjoy the academy and I improved myself only in 3 months.
Okay, starting with the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and the most beneficent. Today I am here in Excel Learners Academy, and today is a very fantastic program, and here we will enjoy a lot.
Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is me, Farid Safi, and I'm happy. I'm too much thankful to the entire team of Excel Learners Academy for arranging such a beautiful program here. I really enjoyed it, and purpose of arranging these type of programs are to promote recreational type of activities inside here and to boost up the confidence level of the students. That they need to come to the front and show their own talent. I'm happy that a great number of students, they come up here and they really produced, they showed themselves that yes, Excelians have improved a lot and they learn a lot of things over here. Thank you so much.
Excel یو داسې ارګنایزیشن دی چې دا د خلکو دپاره یو ښه فیسیلیټیز پرووایډ کوي، یو ښه شیزونه ورته پرووایډ کوي. دا فنکشنز دي کلچرل ډیز شو داسې ډفرنٹ کاینډ اف فنکشنز په دې ایکسل کې کیږي چې خلکو ته دا ښوولې کیږي چې لکه ایکسل کې یو ښه شیز پرووایډ کیږي نو مونږ ډېر زیات هیپي یو دلته بینګ ان انسټرکټر آی ایم پریټي مچ هیپي هیر
Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, this is Mr. Bilal Safi, one of the SL instructors and as well as the coordinator of Excel Learners Academy. Today I'm pretty much happy with the management of Excel Learners Academy for arranging such a remarkable functions for the students where students can polish their skills. Later on guys here, I believe one thing on Excel, that Excel is a place where you can polish your skills, and Excel is a place where students come as a learner and leave as a trainer. Thank you for watching.